Is it really?
That's brush, what do you expect?
This thing is retarded with a brush thing.
You gotta get some tires for it, otherwise you can burst it. That's why I was gonna try to trade you for a car for Alexis, so I could steal the tires off of her car and put them on this one.
We can't trade, baby. Big ball.
Good job, Rick. Good feature. He's got good insurance. I say put a couple of regular tires on the front, maybe.
Yeah.
That way you're actually.